Friends, this is problem number 5 from the set of problems that I had sent you. Okay. Now, all along we've been solving problems where only a single cash flow is involved. But in this problem, you have a series of single cash flows. You see that? Mr. X invests 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, 1500 rupees, 2000 rupees, and 2500 rupees at the beginning of each year. Calculate the compound value at the end of the 5th year, compounded annually when the interest charges is 5% per annum. So what kind of a problem is this? This is a future value. Future value of a series, because we don't have one single cash flow, we have a series of single cash flows. All right, so how do we find out this problem? So future value is equal to present value into FVIF K into N. However, there's like I said, there are a series of single cash flows. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So how do you solve a problem like this? Very simple. So 500. Now, by the way, all these amounts are invested at the beginning of each year. So 500, and we have to find out what will be the compounded value at the end of the 5th year. So 500 into FVIF. What is K? Rate of interest 5%, and N will be 5 years, right? So because we have to calculate, see, at the beginning of the first year. So first year, second year, third year, fourth year, 5th year. So we have to take 5 years for that. Plus 1000 into FVIF 5%. How many years? 4 years. Why 4 years? Because this 1000 is invested at the beginning of the second year. So second year, third year, fourth year, 5th year, 4 years. All right. So 4 years. Plus, by the way, let's put this, all these in parentheses. All right. So next is 1500 into FVIF 5%. How many years? Yeah, 3 years. All right, because it is invested at the beginning of the 3rd year. And then 2000 into FVIF 5%, 2 years. Okay, we have to take for 2 years because it is invested at the beginning of the 4th year. So 4 and 5 years. Plus finally 2500 into FVIF 5%, 1 year. All right. Now let's find out the values of 500 into FVIF 5%, 5 years. What is FVIF? 5%, 5 years. So 5%, 5 years. So the value that corresponds to 5%, 5 years is 1.2763. 1.2763 plus 1000 into FVIF 5 years, or 5%, 4 years. 5%, 4 years. Value that corresponds to 5%, 4 years is 1.2155. 1.2155 plus 1500 into 5%, 3 years. 5%, 3 years. 1.1576. 1.1576 plus 2000 into FVIF 5% 2 years, 5% 2 years. Okay, how much is that? 1.1025. 1.1025 plus 2500 into FVIF 5% 1 year. 5% 1 year. So 1.0500. 1.0500. Okay, how much is that? Let's calculate. Okay, please do the calculation, find out how much it is. Okay, and I will solve this problem, and I will send you the picture of this problem. All right.